I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Yeah, Colt CZT in for a custom Ecutek map today. This is a pretty standard car, so we're sort of, whilst we're aiming for 200 brake horsepower, we'd be happy with 195 if she's healthy. So so no mods. He's just purchased it. He purchased it cheap, so he's going to be really looking forward to getting some power down its neck. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so for a standard car, she's made some power. You've got to be able to feel that. It's going to be a great car to drive now, exactly how they should have come out of the factory. Yeah, so we finished the day on 196 breaker, 207 foot-pound of torque, which is great gains from the stand as it came in standard of 149 brakes. So yeah, 196 to end the day. Happy with that, and I'm sure the customer will love it. Top stuff. Thanks, guys.